Neo is trending. This is Saturday, the 1st of November, 2025. In the post market session of yesterday, the 31st, it closed with a gain of 3.42%. Get this, the company just announced that it delivered 40,397 vehicles in October, up 92.6% year over year. That's really fantastic. That's really fantastic. But I know where your mind is going already. What would it be like next month? What would it be like? Well, let's see. Let's see. We're not there yet. Let's just deal with what we're facing right now. Um, Neo has never. I don't think has ever gone beyond $10. Correct me if I'm wrong, but in any case, the extrapolation is saying that yeah, it's going to be before now, but by the time this news get hits the market, it may be different. It may be a bit different. It may begin to attempt to retest this 52-week high of $7.89. But extrapolation is saying that yeah, an accumulative the uptrend may still remain in place. Yeah, but not with a steep incline. At least going all the way towards the 1st of December. Current projections are saying, yeah, at least pointing to prices all the way towards $10. We have 10.20, 9.6, 9.62, $8.7, and a lot more. Down here, the 10-day moving average is trending, but the 21-day moving average is not trending. Positions opened 21 days ago are currently not in profit. Yeah, unfortunately, because the stock has just corrected. It's well, it corrected from or contracted that the expansion that was actually let's just say when will we say let's say the expansion that began in it on early to mid September. That was what it corrected over the last 21 days. So the positions opened then are not in profit. But in the coming days, things will change because we can see here this is exactly around 21 days. So in the coming days, and also with this news, the 10-day, the 40-day, the 21-day moving average may begin to trend. And as things stand right now, it's actually just before this news came out, it was actually signaling a buying opportunity. So what we could just do is just quickly have a look at its 4-hour chart. Okay, on this 4-hour chart, this news is this is Saturday. The market is not open, so it was actually extrapolating a contraction, going all the way towards the 6th of November, Thursday. But here we can see projections not as high as what we saw on the daily chart: 7.2, 7.75, 8.09. Yeah, we've seen more ambitious projections, $10 and some fraction. Yeah, okay, yeah, we have the 10.24 as of the 24th, 29th of September. What we can equally do is just have a look at its, see whether we can find what the probability of it retesting this high of 7.89 will be. It's not that far off from it. We could just quickly have a look here. Yeah, okay, it's quite decent. Quite decent. I think maybe most certainly not up to 10%, but it's within all of that. Within all of that, that small probability, it can still do so. By the time the market opens on Monday, it might be a totally different picture altogether. Yeah, there's a good chance especially it might reverse this extrapolation on its 4-hour chart, which is saying that a contraction will happen. I guess the algos wasn't expecting that today this news will be positive, but by the time the market opens, it should reverse it and probably go on and attempt to retest the highs of around 7.83. But easily, I can easily imagine that it would definitely easily surpass it. Yeah, there's a good chance it might easily do that. Intraday high 7.73. Well, given that it's trading around 7.2, close around 7.25. Yeah, I would. Yeah, it wouldn't be out of place to expect that it would probably retest this 7.33 or even go beyond that. So let's just see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Yesterday, 50 million shares across the tape below its 50-day average. Below its 50-day average. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, okay. For some reason, we have an intraday high here of 8.02. Okay. So it's a sort of price that can equally print as well. Yeah, it's a surprise. It's sort of price and it got that can equally print as well. So just get in there and have a look and see what you make of Neo stock. And thank you very much for watching this video.